it. What do you think? Oh, it's a queen. She's got a cold, I think.
Long, long time ago, there was a king who loves and always helps his villager. Finally, the king and Dylan defeat the bad guy, and no one will ever steal the villagers ever after.